it is with much pleasure that I now introduce to you the newlyweds, Mr. and Mrs. Jeremiah and Sabina Payana. They're thanked with hundreds in attendance and probably hundreds who are watching online through Facebook. Jeremiah, this is the moment you've been waiting for. You may now kiss the bride.
Ayan. Nagpasan ba siya kiss?
Sa pa daw. Di namin na.
Alawan din nakita kiya. Ang pinakita?
Take two.
Wait,
Take two.
5 minutes?
Okay. May request. Groomsman, Jay Abay, Jay Bestman na, Jay, tapat na gawin na pa yung isuda. At hagamin iti, ti surprise nga maipabuya nga video.
Okay, to Jeremiah and Sabina. They say love finds a way even in an unexpected moment. This message was once requested by GI, but gently denied. And yes, I admit, it hurt me a little. Because today is our special day, and you serve nothing less than love in its fullest form. But as your ate, I couldn't let Uncle's stubbornness win. So with a little persuasion and very reasonable reason, he finally said yes. It took a week before I finally captured this moment on video because love, when sincere, is always worth the wait. Now, let's watch this special message from someone who holds a very special place in your heart. Let's watch this.
My dear son, though distance keep me from standing beside you today, my heart walk with you as you begin this beautiful journey. I am so proud of the man you have become.
While
And
watching the
and
video,
so happy
pakikuha
for
mo,
the love you
the
have
White
shown.
Montero.
May your marriage be filled with endless love. Know that I am always with you. In Jesus Christ, the Father and the Holy Spirit. Congratulations, Jeremiah and Sabina. God bless your union for today.
Ayan, hindi natin surprise. But before, may paging po sa White Montero plate number DAO 1597. Pakitransfer daw po yung car sa labas. Thank you so much. Paging sa White na Montero, plate number DAO of 1597. Pakitransfer daw yung sasakyan sa labas. Thank you so much. Ayan, buya tayo, iti mensahe ura tayo ni Uncle Pasiano at ati message na inya para kadagizay newlyweds tayo. This is the most awaited part. For the picture taking sequence, a picture by Jade the couple. Before kayo nga sige habang with pictures the couples, may request ka dagi sa ushers or any nga agasis nga mga babae sa cake. Gamin no adati magnay dyan nga side agun-gun kat pabalin nga matinda. Jay nga to lang kanong nga layer.